Hi you guys, welcome back to this video. Today I am showing you a package that just arrived on my porch today. I'm super excited because I do know what this package is, and we're gonna go ahead and get into this unboxing. So without any further ado, let's get into the package, let's get into the video, let's get into the unboxing. Alright, so if you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you do that. We're just gonna take the scissors here. These are my office scissors. And I'm going to cut right into this package, and I cannot wait to show you guys. Oh, if I don't stab myself with the scissors, because you should always cut away from yourself, but ask me, am I doing that right now? No, I'm not. Okay. Ooh, look at this, you guys. Oh my gosh. I did not open this right. Like, everything that says pull here, I definitely didn't pull. It's supposed to just, like, pop out. Pop out, pop out. I'm moving the whole table. Pop out. Okay, so I'm trying to cover my name here. Let's see if I can take it off. Yep, I definitely took that off. Okay, so here we go. This is what we have inside here. Let me pull it out so y'all can see what's really. Let's get into it. Let's get into it, sis. Verified Beauty LLC, grow hair fast, with our website www.verifiedbeautyllc.com and our phone number 704-840-2219. And this is a magnet, you guys. So these go on the car, and I'm gonna go put them on the car right now. I don't know why I thought I ordered 3. I thought I did order 3, but okay. Maybe I ordered 2. I'll have to look back at my receipt. I was for sure ordered 3, or I got some free one or something. Or I don't know. But anyways, I'll look back. I don't know. I ordered a lot of different things. And so, yeah, whatever. Let's go outside and put these on my car. Straight?
No. No.
How's that?
That's better.
That's better? Okay, cool. You can cut it. You think that one looks better now?